Hey guys, uMetro nakezwile uyifuna la imali enganakhe yamalobolo. So what was supposed to be a cordial family meeting turned out to be this. Uzethu looking like this because uMetro lumkade engazwile eyifuna la imali engani yakhe. He pointed from ugarage wamtshela indaba zakhe, waya kuzethu wamtshela indaba zakhe. Why even angimashabalala wamtshela indaba zakhe nomashabalala wathi listen Khathazile angeke ngizwe ngawe mina ubona sengifana noba and they ended up fighting as we are seeing on the screen right now. So I want to talk about that and more here in this video, but before starting with the video I would like to request you guys to like it and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down and so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Mina bafethu angifisa uba uzethu le insuku lezi ngathi kuyishubela ingane yabantu angisathandi ngempela. At first I really thought that she deserved everything that was coming to her, but ngeke ngiyambona ukuthi naye akazasha ukuthi wenzani. It's like she's losing her mind ngendlela into ezenzeka ngakhona. uMetro-ke manje uvele wayenza idrama yaba worse, wafika lapha yakubuka zethu. Uma ngabe efika laphayana wathi listen, angizanga in peace lana, engizokufuna nje into eyi-1, ngizosifunela mina imali engane yami lenobole ngayo lengane leyena ekhohlakele. And then bathe bese bayakhuluma, so I think lento leyana could have been fixed, bahlangane zomndeni balungise yonke lento leyana, but instead wathi nje uMetro angizanga in peace, mina ngifuna ukulungisa lutho, all I want imali engane zami. And then he started ukudelela uMetro. Niyamazi uMetro guys, selethe ukudelela waqala ngozethu wamtshela indaba zakhe, wabuya waya ngarage and uMashabalala was like, whoa Khathazile angeke ngiyimele indaba yakho mina, you can't come all the way uzodela ingane zami la emzini wami. So she retaliated. May retaliate, obvious. Amaphapha bephezulu, and then they ended up fighting. And as you can see on the screen right now, nangu phela uzethu not knowing what to do. Ubungafunga ukuthi ngathi khona into emlahlekile noma khona ulayini oqhumile. Guys, I need to say this. I never really expected this from season 2 of Homecoming. I thought this thing was going to be boring now that usifisa akekho, but on episode 10 and each and every episode from episode 1 of season 2 has been fire. I'm giving it to Quentin Paynon and Patricia Magwarela. They're really outdoing themselves on this one. I am really entertained. I really love the drama that they're pulling out. I hope that it's going to be like this up until the very last episode. So guys, comment there in my comment section. What did you think about today's episode? And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.